Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add Nightbot on Twitch. And for this we go right in the top to our profile, click on channel, scroll a bit down and click on chat. So right here our chat is here, and now we click on a new tab and we search for Nightbot. Then click on Nightbot, sign up if you never ever logged in to Nightbot. But I already have an account, so I go to login, then do login with Twitch. Then click on authorize. And right now we just logged in to Nightbot. From here we want to activate Nightbot, so we click on join channel. And right now we need to type in our Twitch channel chat /mod Nightbot. So what we do is select this, click on Ctrl+C or right mouse click and copy. Go to Twitch, go to your chat just right here, do right mouse knob, paste or Ctrl+V and then click on chat. Now it says Nightbot is already a moderator of this channel. So if I do, when I logged into Nightbot join channel, I know that the Nightbot is active in my chat when I go live. Alright, if you did it at the first time, then it says now your Nightbot got added to your chat and it will work when you will go live on Twitch. Alright. This is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.